Brian here, Flagship Property Management. One of the key questions we get when somebody's inquiring about hiring our management services, if I'm the prospective tenant or prospective property owner, am I going to be notified of all the maintenance requests that come in about my property? I may want to go fix them myself. Am I just going to know about it? Kind of short answer is no, you will not be notified about each one. It's not because we're trying to hide anything. Our management contract has a $250 spending limit for any per occurrence maintenance item that exists. And what that means is anything that's estimated in a non-emergency situation or an emergency situation to be under $250, we have the authority to go ahead and fix that and have that done, assuming it's not tenant negligence. Anything estimated to be over the $250 in a non-emergency only situation, you will be notified of those. We don't want to have any big expenditures be a surprise to you as the property owner. And so that's why we have that notification limit set up at $250. So example is a water heater. If a tenant reports that a water heater, they come home from work, they want to take a hot shower, they don't have hot water, we send one of our vendors over there. If it's a simple burner or two that needs to be replaced, the water heater's not leaking, it's in good shape, burner burned out for whatever reason, can simply replace that, send us an invoice, they get paid, deducted out of the month's rent. However, if they get over there and that water heater is leaking, it's 25 years old, it's just really not smart to put any kind of repair money maybe into this, they're going to suggest that we need to replace that water heater, and let's just say that's going to be $700 or $800. Then you as the property owner are given the opportunity to accept or reject that work order, maybe request us to get a second estimate, send somebody yourself, whatever the case may be, but we don't want to hit you with any big surprises. So that's one question we always get. Just want to be clear and concise on that answer.